Beachside's philosophy and care, the program is really centered around creating a culture where people feel safe. They can take time from their work. They can take time from family, whatever it is, and just really work on the things that are in the way of them having the life that they want. So a lot of people have kind of lived life where they're really just struggling with all these symptoms. They're trying to create all these goals and they don't really understand why they're not reaching their goals. So what we do is we really try to just focus on what's going on inside of you, because for a lot of people, they've never really had somebody take the time to sit with them and understand what's going on inside of them. When people start realizing that they can actually get help when they are struggling, they become more authentic and they get away from just trying to mask things all the time. So we're not forcing people to do things that they don't want to do. Everything here is voluntary. We do have the structure of the program, which we highly encourage, but we're not pushing people to do things before they're ready. We're really, sending an invitation, and we're creating a culture where people start seeing hey, people feel safe here. People are making progress. They're actually having fun in recovery, and then people actually want to engage and they become more motivated, as time goes on to really participate in what we're offering.